Company, University of Phoenix. Position, Data Entry Specialist. Estimated salary, $29,700 to $32,500. The University of Phoenix is hiring a full-time remote data entry specialist. This position is entry-level, at a well-known institution, and in a stable industry. This position requires great organizational skills, experience working with software applications like Microsoft Excel, Word, and more. The data entry specialist position would also be great for anyone who is looking to go to school and earn a degree, as University of Phoenix waives tuition fees for full-time and part-time employees. Data entry can be a great way to eventually develop into some type of analyst position, where you can earn over $100,000.